Hey guys, today I will show you how to install Easypanel on an Ubuntu VPS and start your own self-hosted web applications. Easypanel has a free tier you can try on, and they have also a premium tier. And they are not open source, so we will use their free tier. All you have to do is get a VPS. We will be using EU Game Host or UGame Host. I have created a tutorial for that on how to set up your VPS. So they are very affordable. So starting with 5.99 pounds, you get 4 GB of RAM. So I suggest you get an advanced for production ready environment. And if you get an annual subscription, you get half the price for that. And once you have your game host VPS ready, get a domain. I suggest you get a domain on Namecheap or Cloudflare. You also connect your Namecheap to Cloudflare. So I have my domain right here. So these two are what you needed to install Easypanel. So I'll just quickly log into my UGame host VPS. Okay, now I am here on my UGame host VPS control panel, and I am using Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. I have 16 GB of memory and 8 core CPU. So let's connect to our UGame host VPS. We will be using Bitwise. Okay, I will open my Bitwise. This is free, and you can put your IPv4 here. Okay, your IPv4 is located on network, and here it is. And before we begin, be sure to check your IPv4 for Blacklist. So we will check this one if it is clean. Let's go to our Blacklist checker. Okay, we will just paste our IPv4 here and click check Blacklist. Okay, our IP is 100% clean, so we are not listed on these providers. So let's go back. Okay, then we will connect to our VPS now. Copy your IPv4, put it here, and I am using SSH keys for security. Okay, I have created a tutorial for that. I will put all the links on the description. Be sure to check those tutorials. Okay, I will just click login, accept and save. Go to new terminal console. And now we have connected to our VPS. First, we will update our packages, if there is any. Okay, our system is up to date. Now we will install Easypanel. Okay, we will be using this command. I have laid all the important process here so that you can easily follow. Okay, you can also use Consabo or any VPS. Okay, we will copy this command to install Docker. Okay, we have installed Docker, and we will execute this command. Again, I will put all the links, important links, on the description. Okay, just paste it here. and hit enter. Okay, we have successfully installed our Easypanel. You can access your Easypanel here and be sure that your port 80 and port 443 are open. We will open this in a new tab. Okay, we will put our email to set up our Easypanel. And we will set a password. Okay, maybe Google. And I just want to opt out for their updates. I will click setup and welcome to your Easypanel dashboard. And you can see here that our access is not secure. We will be using a subdomain to access our Easypanel. So I highly recommend that you get a domain if you want to install Easypanel. Okay, we will start by going to settings. Let's go to general. This is the default domain. We will add our custom domain. And before adding a custom domain, be sure to add an A record for that. For instance, cloud.webchunks.shop. You should add an A record. Click add record and put your subdomain here. Paste your IPv4 here. Can go back and just temporarily toggle this one off and just click save. And this is my A record. Let's go back to our Easypanel, then hit save. You can also add custom domain if you have a license. So this is not on a free version. Now let's access our custom domain. Okay, we'll open this in a new tab. And now we are using our Easypanel with a subdomain, and it is running a Let's Encrypt certificate. And to check your SSL, if it is correctly installed, we will use a free SSL checker. Okay, I will put a link on the description down below for this SSL checker. Just copy this custom domain of your Easypanel. Then we will put our custom domain here for this checker to check our SSL certificate. We'll check against port 443 HTTPS. And our certificate is excellent. Okay, we will not use HSTS. Okay, we will log in using our credentials we have created earlier. Now, welcome to your secure Easypanel dashboard, and you can now create a project and install your favorite applications. Let's try to create our first project. My first project. Okay, we will add a service, or we can use templates. Okay, you can quickly install WordPress. This is an alpha version, or you can choose your templates to be installed. Okay, for instance, you can choose one of this. You want a database, or maybe a CMS, or maybe a VPN, maybe Bookhaven you want to install. So a lot of these templates are found on Easypanel, so that you don't have to install it standalone. Okay, there are a lot of applications here. You can search here, for instance, WordPress, or you can select a tag maybe. So Easypanel is one of the best hosting panels out there. So this is a PaaS. Same with the Cuprover. Okay, I have taught you on how to install Easypanel, and now it is your turn to install Easypanel on your own and start hosting web applications. Maybe I'll create a series of tutorial on how to install applications. That's it for now, and if you have any questions, just comment them down and I'll try to answer them all. If this video helped you anyway, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And once again, this is how to install Easypanel on Ubuntu VPS.